Hi, Blake with BlvdHome. In today's episode, as the Boulevard turns, we're going to talk about how you make your wife mad at you in quick, easy steps. In this video, I was out to a customer's house. They had a brand new dishwasher installed. The husband installed the new dishwasher, I think with the help of his father. I am not sure about that. All I know is she wasn't happy when I left, and it wasn't my fault. Let me tell you the story. So I get out to this house, they got a brand new dishwasher, less than 14 days old, and it's not draining. And so she's pretty upset that this brand new dishwasher they spent all this money for is not draining. So I get out there, fill it up with water, press drain, no water's coming out the drain hose where it's connected to the garbage disposal. So you can picture this. This is an L-shaped kitchen. So this is the sink and the dishwasher is on the countertop here. It's an L countertop. So it has to go all the way around the corner to the sink. Because it's such a long run and the manufacturers don't provide hoses, they go necessarily that long, you have to add an extension to the hose to make it go the length you need. So I got to the extension. I'm gonna show you this picture here. I'll let you look at this picture here for a minute and tell me what's wrong with this picture. All right, now if you don't figure it out, let me tell you what's wrong with it. This little black hose right here, you can see it right here. If you look right here, right where that clamp is completely clamped off right there, and it has pinched that hose 100% off. To boot, they put another red clamp right here. Fantastic, this is awesome. That is the best way to install a dishwasher, said no plumber or no technician ever, because when they put the clamp on it, they completely blocked off the flow to it. Now, in the next picture I'm going to show you here, you're going to actually see the shape of the clamp when I took it off. That's pretty awesome. I mean, that is awesome. I had to correctly remove the clamp from the hose, make sure there's no damage to it, and then I properly had to get the right type of clamp to clamp onto the addition to the hose. The big part here, this part here, not this part here, this part right here, put that there where it plugs into it and then clamp it properly. Now it drains just fine. The hardest part is saying, okay, well, I know it's 14 days old. Did we install it? No, you didn't install it. Who installed it? My husband. Well, unfortunately, it's not a manufacturing defect. We charge for installation and you chose not to pay for installation. So unfortunately, you owe us money. I guess he wants to be sleeping on the couch tonight because that's probably where he was when he got home. That's just my guess. If you're unsure about installation of any of your appliances, washers, dryers, dishwashers, ranges, if you have any questions about any of them, call your dealer you bought it from. They will help you out with the installation as far as giving you answers and tips. If they do offer installation, if you're unsure about it, don't be that hero and be that guy like, yeah, I can do it. Yeah, I'm a man. Then you make your wife mad at you, and it's never worth be sleeping on the couch. More of the story is, they have installation, pay the extra money, have them take care of it. Because if there's any problems, the servicer or the dealer that installed it for you would take care of the problem. You're not sleeping on the couch. So to spend the extra money, go out to eat less for the next couple weeks. I hope you enjoyed this story. Thanks for watching. It's kind of a short video. We have a lot of other great videos, tells you lots of different things, from tips to hints to recommendations to what not to do or what to do with your appliances. Again, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. We'll see you again real soon.